Hi guys, and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to measure your stress on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. Now what you need to do is go to apps, swipe up, go to Samsung Health and scroll down. When you got the stress, click on it and we have the option to measure it manually. Click here and then wait for it. Now we got the measurement, it comes back relaxed, and if you want to measure it continuously throughout the day, you need to scroll down, go to settings and check the box measure continuously. Scroll down, and if you want to get notification if there is a stress environment or you are stressed, just simply leave this toggled on. And like this you will get a notification on your watch, and now you can do something about your stress, like a mindfulness breathing exercises or relaxing ones. Thank you guys for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.